Hey guys, before I start talking about week one, I just want to go over a couple things that can be found on Moodle. Be sure to check for announcements. If you have any questions, please post them here, as others in our class may have the same question and I can address it right here. Here's our course syllabus. Under Education Department Policies and Resources is the reading response rubric that's used to score some of your assignments. Talks about synthesizing concepts and principles, the application of ideas, personal and professional examples. APA citation, you should have a minimum of 2 resources. Those 2 resources need to be cited within your response, and you need to follow APA 7 guidelines, writing standards, and content guidelines. If you have any questions about the reading response rubric, please ask. Also, you will find the discussion forum rubric. Your initial posting must be written in a scholarly voice, adhere to APA 7 guidelines, and be 250 and 500 words in length. The word length comes into play because in less than 250 words, it's difficult to get your point across to your classmates. So that initial response, I'm looking for 250 and 500 words. You need to have 2 peer responses. Those can be less formal and at least 150 words. I'm not looking for a response like, "Good post this week. I agree with you." Your responses should foster further dialogue by asking questions as you respond to your peers. And yes, if you are asked a question, I expect you to answer the question. These are the elements that you are scored on: synthesizing concepts and principles, application of ideas, personal and professional examples, again, APA citation. Your initial response, you will use course resources, and you may use outside resources to support your opinion. Writing standards and your response to other students. If you have questions about this rubric, please ask. Over on the side of Moodle, let me see if I can do this. When you click on that arrow, you will find in the sidebar GPS Student Resources. If you click here, it will open up Box, and there you will find a folder on APA and research. And there are some APA 7 guidelines in there. I also have some APA 7 basic things that I will send to you. But please make sure you check out these GPS student resources in this sidebar found on Moodle. Okay, on to week one, the history of education. Be sure to preview the overview of our syllabus that's posted in week one. Learning outcomes. You will be provided the opportunity to acquire, develop, strengthen, and/or apply the following knowledge or skills. Read the research about the history of education, educational models, and educational theories, and also providing rationale of theorists to using an interdisciplinary approach. Looking at your assignments for week 1, you are to read Chapter 1 in our text, and Chapter 1 is Introduction to Interdisciplinary Instruction, and that's pages 1 through 17. This chapter provides an introduction to the interdisciplinary approach and its theoretical foundations. It points out how the interdisciplinary approach is distinguished from other teaching methods such as multidisciplinary and integrated instruction by comparing and contrasting these methods of instruction. If you look on pages 5 through 9 in Chapter 1, you are presented a framework for designing interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary units of instruction. This is of importance to you as in week 3, you begin to design your own interdisciplinary lesson. You will use the same topic to create a unit web design in week 7. Last but not least, Chapter 1 provides the rationale for using an interdisciplinary approach in elementary and middle schools. Homework assignment 1-1 is using the prompts and the directions. You are to introduce yourself on Moodle. Your introduction is due by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, and you need to respond to 2 of your classmates by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Homework assignment 1-2 is apply the information about theory and theorists to use an interdisciplinary approach. It is due on Saturday. Homework assignment 1-3 is a confirmation that you have read and understand the syllabus. Just put that on a Word document and send it. I want to look at homework 1-2. It says to view the links in the first Word document and the text to answer the prompts in homework 1-2. Each response or part thereof is worth 10 points. So this is worth 100 points total. This document is the history links. This is the resource that you can use. This link are the prompts that you are to respond to and submit. If you have any questions, please ask me. I can't help you if I don't know that you're having problems. And my goal is for everyone to do very well in this class. So if you have questions, please ask. My email is flowersmd@mail.mvnu.edu. And if you want to email me, over here is the quick mail. All you have to do is compose a course message. Click on who it goes to. If you want to exclude anyone, your subject, and then the email. So if you have questions, please, please ask me. I look forward to our learning together. Thank you.